Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add and customize stickers in CapCut PC. To begin, locate the stickers icon in the top left corner of the screen. Click it to explore CapCut's extensive library of stickers, which are easy to use. Scroll through the options and click on any sticker to preview it in your project window. This allows you to see how it looks before adding it. You can click the star icon to add it to favorites for easier access in future projects. To place a sticker, either click the plus icon in the bottom right corner or click and drag it into your timeline. Once the sticker is added, adjustment boxes will appear around it in the preview. Resize the sticker by dragging its corners or move it to any position on the screen by clicking the center. To control the duration of the sticker's appearance, click its edge in the timeline and drag to extend or shorten its display time. You can choose to keep it visible for the entire video or only during specific segments. Next, let's add animations. Select the sticker in the timeline and then click the Animations tab in the top right menu. Here, you can select fade-ins, fade-outs, or other motion effects. Use the slider at the bottom to adjust the animation duration. Longer bars for slower animations and shorter bars for faster ones. CapCut also allows you to layer stickers. Return to the Stickers menu, choose Another Design, and drag it into the timeline above the first sticker. Resize, reposition, or animate each layer independently for dynamic effects. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.